Annette from StampWithAnnette.com, and today I want to share how we made some little paper fireworks for a 4th of July decoration. This is the finished product. I know it's really hard to see in this video. I'll take a picture and include that. But the fireworks are really fun, and let me show you what we did. I have a piece of Night of Navy cardstock, and it's cut 3 by 5. And I'm just going to take the fringe scissors and cut all the way across, stopping an inch or so from the bottom, a little less than an inch. Just keep cutting across. One more. Okay, then I want to kind of break the fibers up on this part of the cardstock because I'm going to curl it around a bamboo skewer, and I want it to curl easily. So just kind of scrape your bone folder across there, and I need to flatten it out just a little bit more. And I'm going to use the new Tear and Tape. This is actually the first time I used it. But oh, so easy to do. Just put it on there, tear the end. Okay, then there's a paper backing, so you'll just peel that off. And I'm going to start at this end because I didn't get the adhesive quite to the edge over here, and it is here, and on the outside I want it definitely to be adhered all the way in. Okay, so I'm just going to stick the bamboo skewer, and this I just bought at the grocery store, there on the end, and I'm going to just start rolling, and you want it to be even if you can, but tight. So just roll slowly all the way across. I did this project with my kids club, and the girls loved the project, and they were able to do it successfully, so you should be able to do that. They loved the finished product. Okay, so now I've got it wound all the way across. I'm just going to take my bone folder and curl each little strand. It's a little bit tedious, but it's really not hard. You do want to be careful to not pull too hard because the strands can tear, especially on the Whisper White. It's not quite as strong of a cardstock. On one of mine I had 2 that tore off, but you can't tell on the finished one. So if one tears off, just keep going. Just curl kind of like you're doing curling ribbon all the way around. Okay, when you get them all done, just fluff a little bit. And then your skewer is really long, so depending on what you're putting your fireworks in, you might want to cut your skewer a little bit. I used just some wire cutters and trimmed mine to the size that I wanted. And this little bucket is one I just found in the dollar spot, and this is retired ribbon. It's the Cherry Cobbler seam binding, but any ribbon would work on there. And we just have some florist foam in the bottom, and I just cut a chunk and pressed it down in, and then covered it with the shreddy paper. Just a fun 4th of July decoration. Enjoy!